Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I'm going to be recapping on a couple things on this one. So we're doing a roof replacement due to wind damage. It blew off in travel. And so I'm going to come up the ladder here and show you basically how we applied the second molding and how we sealed it. Let's see here. All right. So first, as you can see, we got a whole new roof on. The guys actually spaced the solar panels away from each other. I guess originally they had the brackets overlapping and we were concerned about it leaking. And then they also had them shifted off to one side more than the other. So the guys also spaced those more evenly so that you could have more walk around room. So you can get on either side of the coach. And then as far as this front cap here, so you can see, I'm gonna zoom in, there's two moldings. And we put two moldings all the way on across. We also, while the cap that overlaps the roof membrane, while that was up, we took and injected sealant underneath of the surface of the front cap. So we injected it underneath of it, then put screws into it, and then, put our putty tape down on the molding, put some more putty tape down on the other molding, put a little sealant underneath that as well, and then seal both of them up top. So for the most part, unless they actually hit something or unless something breaks loose, it should never leak. And even if it did, it's gonna have to fight through basically the top sealant, the putty tape, another realm of sealant. It's almost like 3 layers to get through, maybe even considered 4 if you want to think about it that way, because it's under and over. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. I'm going to go inside next because there's some other stuff going on this unit. While it was in here, first we started just looking at the slide out when we were out here. So we've advised the customer that the slide out seems, they're not bad, but we can see all the screws sticking up. And we can see that the tape is getting shrunk and lifting, and the side edges and stuff need to be cleaned up. So they need to come back in and do some maintenance work to it. There's stuff that they've stuck on there to help flip the seal back out. You can see the little plastic tabs they added, or maybe that was the manufacturer. And then there's some cleanup at the bottom, but I'll go over that here in another video. While we were looking at that, the guys noticed when the room was in that the refrigerator had broken loose, and it actually broke the aluminum in the bottom of the wall and separated it. So we got some pictures of that, and then the weight of the refrigerator's out of it, so it's back up in place currently at the moment until we get into it and get it fixed. So, okay, well anyways, stay tuned for more. Again, this is a roof that we just replaced, and wind had got up underneath between a combination between the front cap, the side edges, and literally blew it back, ballooned it up, tore itself on all 4 corners of the AC, and then made ripples in the back of it. So, okay, thanks so much for watching.